Hello everyone, hope you stay well. João Dias, real estate consultant in the center of Portugal, and today I'm in Medellín. Medellín is very near to Monsanto, Idanha Nova, Penamacor area, okay? And today I have that house, okay? 100% rebuilding now, it's new house for present you, and hope you like it. Exactly in the center of Medellín, near the pump station, mini market, coffee, schools, all stay here, okay? I have one houses for present you today. The houses have renovate inside, okay? It's that houses, all that. That is here is the principal road, here. Okay. The roof, it's cement, not wood. All it's cement inside, and rebuilding inside all. New windows, new electricity, all it's new inside. Okay. The good news, you have all the equipments and the materials you need for living. You have the first floor, start to present you that floor when you enter. That I think it's perfect. You don't have it, but the carpenter coming and put a table for it, okay? Here, in that area. You don't have it at the moment, but when I sell, he stay here. You have two toilets. One have shower, okay, here. All it's new, all the system it's new. Okay, here. And have another part of the toilet here. It's two doors, okay? It's easy. One door left and one door right. Here it's the another part of the toilet. In the same floor have the kitchen. The kitchen have all the equipment. Okay, all stay. You don't have that part. You need coming to put that, but of course you stay in the moment of when you buy the house. All it's new, okay? All the equipment it's new, all the materials it's new. And if you want living here tomorrow, you're living because you have all new here, okay? It's very important you know that. All that equipment, it's new. Nobody using that at the moment, okay? The same happened with the fridge. Yeah. Important to understand the windows. It's double glass and PVC, okay? Nice isolation. Of course, it's important. And upstairs you have air conditions. That's fire if you want using that. I think salamander it's perfect for put here, but of course if you want put, you decide. The steps for the first floor, and now I present that part of the house. Okay, that is the third access to the first floor, and here you have open space with bed, and same time the room, okay? Here you have a little space outside, used for the village, okay? The windows, it's the same, it's new windows, double glass, and all the equipment, it's new. And the price, including all that, all stay in the house. Only need to coming and living here. Okay, that equipment do a bed too, and here if you need it, it's possible. Save what you wanted there. That is the open space upstairs, lot of light, air condition here, all new, and the roof, for you see, cement, okay, and perfect conditions. And that is the house I want to present you today. Hope you like it. Maybe it's if you think to do an investment in Portugal for rent, sure, it's a perfect choice. If you want values for the investment and that, I can help you, contact me, okay? And then in another question don't see in the video, the description. Please contact me because it's a pleasure. Try to help. Enjoy, stay safe, see you in the next video.